Hello everyone, welcome to your English second class of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, today in this video we will complete exercises and question answers of lesson number 5. Okay, so let's begin our class. First exercise given on page number 67, list the following in your notebook. One job other than writing that J.K. Rowling enjoyed. So answer is teaching. Okay. Then question number B, two characters Rowling based on real people. Answer, Gilderoy Lockhart and John Weasley. Then question number C, three places where Rowling has thought of her ideas of her stories. Answer, airplane, train, cafes. Question number D, the number of the book in which we can read about creatures that Rowling invented. Answer, book 4. Then question number E, that story Rowling wrote, the story that Rowling wrote when she was in the 5th grade. Answer is the story about Seven Cursed Diamond. Question number 7, what Rowling wrote when she was 6 years old. So she wrote a very long short story. Okay, so these are the answers of your exercise first. Now let's move to our second exercise. Exercise 2. Read the sentences given below and put a tick against those that are true and rewrite the ones that are false. Okay. First one is, Rowling met a boy called Harry Potter on a train. So this is false, and the reason is, this is false. Reason is, Rowling did not meet a boy like Harry Potter on a train. Okay. Question number B, the character of Hermione is based on Rowling herself. So this is true. C, Rowling's daughter gives her ideas for her stories. False. And correct answer is, Rowling's daughter does not give her ideas for her stories. All the ideas belong to Rowling herself. Her daughter loves the books. Now question number D, Rowling enjoyed being a teacher. So this is correct. So right here, true. Now next exercise, reference to context. First one is, Rowling, I haven't drawn it because it would be difficult for the most skilled architect to draw, owing to the fact that the staircases and the rooms keep moving. However, I have a very vivid mental image of what it looks like. So first question is, what has Rowling not drawn? Its answer is, Rowling has not drawn the actual floor plans of Hogwarts. Then second, why is it difficult to draw? It would be difficult to draw the floor plan because the staircases and the rooms keep moving. Third, how is Rowling able to write about this even though she has not drawn it? She is able to write about it because she has a very vivid mental image of what Hogwarts looks like. Now question number 4, first one, what does this question tell us about Rowling's popularity? So this question tells you about Rowling, that Rowling was very popular among children, and that she is a household name now. Question number 2, when did Rowling realize that millions of kids were reading her books? Answer, Rowling realized that millions of kids were reading her books only when she visited the States and met thousands and thousands of people at book signings. Now question number 3, what does Rowling say in reply to this question? Answer, Rowling says that it is amazing to know that she has such a huge fan base and leadership. Question number 5, in this interview, J.K. Rowling tells her students about her writing habits. Describe how she writes. So for Rowling, writing is a constant process. She writes nearly every day, and when her mind is full of ideas, the writing goes on for longer. Now question number 6, J.K. Rowling gave 3 reasons why all young people must read. List these reasons and add one of your own. So answer is, according to Rowling, reading is fun, gives you an understanding of what makes good writing, improves your vocabulary, and the 4th one is, reading also broadens your imagination. Question number 7, apart from saying that they must read, what other advice does Rowling have for young people who want to write? Answer. In addition to reading extensively, Rowling says that young people must write regularly. She says that they should start by writing about things they know, including their experiences and feelings. Okay, now question number 8. List two qualities that you can see in J.K. Rowling through her answers to the questions. Give evidence from the interview to support your answer. So the answer is, Rowling comes across a very approachable and down-to-earth person who would have made a wonderful teacher and popular with kids. She shows great amount of focus and creativity and imaginative brilliance, as is evident from her regular reading. Now question number 9. Good interviewers have sufficient information about the people they interview. They are polite, they say interesting questions, and they are also good listeners. Were the students good viewers, interviewers? Give reason to support your answer. So answer is, yes, the students were good interviewers. The questions were polite and to the point. There were no controversial questions. It was very professional and helpful for future writers. Now question number 10. If you had a chance to interview J.K. Rowling, what question would you put to her? What do you think she would say in reply? Answer is, I would be very curious to know how she created her spells and their names. It is amazing how she managed to invent them. I suppose her answer would be how she used her extensive reading of stories and other books creatively and to invent these characters. Okay, so these are your answers of question answers. Now let's move to our next exercise. Exercise given on page number 69. Each set of words given below can form compound words using the same word. Follow the example and choose the right word from the help box to change each set into compound words. Okay. So first one is already done here. Now second one. Eyelash, eyeball, eyebrow. Okay, so you have to fill these words from here to make the compound words. The next one is bedtime, bedroom, bedspread. Okay, so these are the compound words. Fireplace, firefly, fireworks, housefly, houseboat, housework, outdoors, outfit, outgrow, sunflower, sunlight, sunset, seagull, seashell, seashore. Okay, so complete this exercise in your book only. Now exercise given on page number 70. Circle the verbs that agree with the nouns in these sentences. First one is, caterpillars turn or turns into butterflies. So the correct answer is turn. Okay. Now next one is, a butterfly or flies from flower to flower. So the correct answer is flies. The student monitors help or helps the teachers. So the student monitors help the teachers. D. The students do their work. E. The men are planting trees on the hill. F. The women are driving tractors. Then the children were playing on the swings. Then next one is, I am learning to match nouns and verbs. So circle, you have to circle here am. Then next one is, we enjoy reading mystery stories. Then J is, they eat lots of green leafy vegetables. Okay, you can either tick or you can circle the correct word. Now let's move to our next exercise given on page number 71. Fill in the blanks by using is or are to complete these sentences. So first one is, the school hockey team is playing a match this afternoon. The players in the team are very good. The shelf of books is dusty. The books on the shelf are dusty. The travelers in the bus are tired. The bus full of travelers is driving up the hill. Okay. Now exercise given on page number 72. In the sentences given below, circle the subjects and underline the predicates. So first one is the earth orbits the sun. So circle the earth and underline orbits the sun. B. Musicians circle, compose, play and sing music, underline. C. Amelia Earhart circle, then was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean, underline. Then D. The bumblebee bat circle is the smallest mammal. Then E. Galileo circle, built a telescope, underline. F. Paavo Nurmi circle, ran the marathon, underline. G. The camel circle is known as the ship of the desert, underline. H. The Eiffel Tower circle was designed by Gustav Eiffel's company, underline. Okay. Now exercise that is given on page number 69, make sentences of your own with the following words. Okay. So first word is stroll. Sentence is Megha and Varsha strolled around in the park near their house. My teacher encouraged me to write a story for the annual story writing contest. C. Prevented. The iron barricade prevented the protesting mobsters from entering the university. D. Managed. I managed to reach home before it started raining. Then question number E. Realized. Word this. Madhu realized that she had made a mistake in her maths exam. Okay students, so these are your exercises of lesson number 5. You have to complete question answers in your notebook and all these exercises in your book, and these sentences also in your notebook. Okay, so complete this work and also learn. So this is all for today. Thank you.